In this video, we are going to see how we can split each Excel sheet into a separate file or into a separate workbook. So here in this example, we have January, February, and March. Let's keep it to March, delete April. So we want to create simple Excel files, separately mention all of these data. So let's see a quick technique of it. Now just notice guys, there is no direct way of doing this in Excel. What you need to do is just enable the developer tab and paste a little VBA code. It's very simple to do. If you don't see the developer tab by default, what we can do is just go to any particular menu and on the white space, just right click here, click on customize ribbon, and you will see on the right hand side, the developer tab will be there, but it's disabled. I'll just enable this, click OK, and then we have the developer tab right here. Just go to the developer tab, use the Visual Basic, and click on insert a new module. Insert a new module and paste this VBA code that you will find with the resources section of this video. Just press Ctrl A, copy it and paste it here. After that, we just run the code from here, click on run, and you will notice it will process a little bit. And then if you go to the same folder, you have new separate sheets created. So this is a very useful code that again, you can find it with the resources section of this video. Let's open any single file. Let me just save it. Let's open January. So we have January. This is for the month of February. As you can see, all the dates are for February, and we have separately mentioned it for March. So that's how you can do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.